What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel.
This tutorial will guide you through the process of installing Python on your computer in a straightforward and efficient manner. Understanding how to install Python correctly is essential for anyone looking to start programming or dive into data science. Navigate to the official Python website, type python.org. On the homepage, locate the download section, choose the version suitable for your operating system for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. For example, mine is Windows, so I will click this version to install. The directory appears where you want to save the installer. After you choose the directory, click Save. Now the installer is downloaded. Locate the downloaded installer in your files, double-click to run the installer. Ensure to check the box that says Add Python to Path before continuing. This step is crucial as it allows you to run Python from the command line. If you want to customize your installation, click on Customize Installation, choose the features you want to install, click Next, and select the installation location. Click on Install Now to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to finish. You may see a prompt asking for permission. Click Yes if prompted. Once installation is complete, you will see a Setup Success message, and there, you've successfully installed Python and set up your development environment. Now you can start exploring programming concepts and building your projects. Consider checking out tutorials on coding or data to enhance your skills further.
If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.